Hello people, time to do some more 7th chords. So how about we do D7 today? D as in David. Probably the most easy and most used is right here. Generally a 4-string strum. The D is open. Your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret of the G string. Your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret of the B string. And your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret of the high E. And you pluck 4 strings. Should sound like that. If you feel like it, you could add in the A note. That's up to you. Okay. Now there's another C7 right here. Looks like that. Okay, so your middle finger is on the 3rd fret of the A string. Your pinky is on the 4th fret of the D string. Your pointer finger is on the 2nd fret of the G string. And your ring finger is on the 3rd fret of the B string. And it should sound like this. Okay, next up on the list is a very much used chord right here, related to C7, but just moved up to the 5th fret. Okay, so what you got is your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 4th fret of the D string, your pinky is on the 5th fret of the G string, and your pointer finger is on the 3rd fret of the E string, and it's a 4-string strum. Cool chord, used a lot. Okay, another one is a simple one, which is on the 7th fret. Take your pointer finger, bar 4 strings, and then middle finger on the 8th fret on the high E string. It's a 4-string strum. Okay, so again, bar 4 strings with your pointer, put your middle finger on the 8th fret, high E string, boom, there you have it. Okay, we got one on the 10th fret that looks like so. We got your middle finger on the 10th fret of the low E string. Your pointer finger is on the 9th fret of the A string. Your ring finger is on the 10th fret of the D string. And your pinky is on the 10th fret of the B string. And it gives you very percussive, nice D7. Okay, now we got another D7 that looks like this. You gotta make sure you get this note out. Okay, so basically, again, it's kind of like the E alt chord moved up here. Put your bar down and then lift your pinky. Make sure, again, that the C note comes out. So what do you got? Full bar, nice and tight on the 10th fret. Ring finger goes on the 12th fret of the A string. The D string is sounded by the bar. And then you have the G string sounded by your middle finger on the 11th fret of the G string, and then the 2 notes above that, they're sounded by the bar. Okay. Another one that looks almost the same looks like so, where you're going to use your pinky. So the last one was this, and this one is going to be this. Just add your pinky down here on the 13th fret of the B string. Okay. Okay. Here's another one which is an octave above this one. So you start out here. By the way, this one, I don't know if I mentioned it, can either be played like so or like so. So it could be fingers 1, 2, and 3, or 2, 3, and 4, whatever you like, whatever you're comfortable with. I prefer to do it 2, 3, and 4, because if you want to play a chord up here, where you just lay down your pointer finger, it works nice. Okay, so let's get to this one. Here's D7. So it's this chord, slid up to the 14th fret, where these two fingers are on the 14th fret, and they're on the G string. 14th fret is your ring finger, 14th fret pinky on the high E string. Your middle finger is on the 13th fret of the B string. You could either play it with an open D, or you could put your pointer finger on the 12th fret of the D string. I did forget one. It's a bar on the 5th fret, and it's a takeoff on the A7 alternate fingering. So you slide this up to the 7th fret, lay down your bar on the 5th fret, and play it as a 5-string strum or a 4-string strum. 5-string strum, and if you need it, use all 6 strings. Okay, so that's another D7. Okay, here's one more for your nuggets of knowledge. It's up here, middle finger on the low E string on the, what is that, the 8th fret. Your ring finger is on the 9th fret of the A string, and your pointer finger can, if you can, you could either play it with your pointer finger covering the D string and the G string. You get this. And if you can do it, you can use your pointer finger to cover the B string as well. You'll get this. So that's another D7. All right.